मतलब कमाल कर दिया भाई तुम लोगों ने. Howdy everyone, this is Asa Joshi and you're watching Learning Never Stops. और yes, Barsha my dear, you requested this song. और जब मैंने पूछा कि किसको इसका tutorial चाहिए on the on the shorts also, you're the like first one to raise your hand. So here we go, Dua Lipa's new rules. Let's get started.
1, 2, 3, let's go.
तो इस गाने में हम लोग सिर्फ 3 chords यूज़ करने वाले हैं. Very very easy. We're going to use A minor, F and G. और कैसे ये just chords बचती हैं, let's see. If you already know, just skip, follow the timelines. Okay, A minor is 2nd fret की 4th string is A minor. The F chord is, अपना A minor वाला finger मत हटाओ, बस अपना index finger को ऊपर 1st fret पे, 1st fret का 2nd string पे रख दो. This is F. Keep on looking here as well. Okay, and then the last chord is G, which looks like a downward facing triangle or an arrow, जिसमें कि हमें अपना index finger को लेके जाना है on the 2nd fret 3rd string, middle finger को लेके जाना है 2nd fret 1st string, और ring finger को लेके जाना है इनके बीच में on the 3rd fret 2nd string. Okay, so it looks like a triangle, right? G. Okay, easy. Now let us start with the strumming here first. This may need some attention, तो शुरू करते हैं. Now आप लोग इस सॉन्ग पर नॉर्मल आइलैंड स्ट्रमिंग भी कर सकते हैं. ओके, मैंने इस सॉन्ग पर कुछ एक नया स्ट्रमिंग डाला है. एक्चुअली नया नहीं है, I just added some chucking and muting. So this is how it looks like. Okay, look carefully. Okay, now to do this, I want you to first have a flick hand. You can make it like this also. I personally do it like a bit small baby heart. Okay, like a baby heart, and do like that. And then I go like this, right? Then I go down, chuck. So the first part is down and chuck. Chucking, as you know, down part में ही होती है. Chucking क्या होती है, कैसे होती है? I will link the video. You can watch. Okay, down, chuck, and then come up, up with your thumb. Up, up, mute. Down, chuck, up, mute. Down, up, mute. Down, chuck, up, mute. Let's go slower, okay? Down, chuck, up, mute. Down, chuck, up, mute. Let's go a bit faster. Down, chuck, up, mute. Down, chuck, up, mute. Down, up, mute. Now, instead of mute, you can do another chuck as well, जो मैंने बीच में गाने में किया है. Okay, so you can also do it like this. Down, chuck, up, chuck. Down, chuck, up, chuck. Down, chuck, up, chuck. Down, chuck, up, chuck. तो आप ये भी कर सकते हो. Okay, down, chuck, up, chuck, or down, chuck, up, mute. All right. So you can do any. You may just want to practice the strumming pattern a little bit, and then carry forward, or you can carry forward, note down the all the chords, and then practice the strumming pattern, and then like play along with me. Okay. Now शुरू करते हैं with the lesson.
Also, अगर आपको कहीं पे भी कुछ स्ट्रमिंग पैटर्न में कुछ प्रॉब्लम आ रही है, you want to talk about it, you're not understanding anything, you can drop me a message in the message box, or you can also send me a personal message on my Insta. If I'm able to help you there, then I will, as in if I'm able to read your messages, because I'm not very active on Insta, but yeah, मतलब दिन में 1-2 बार तो जाती हूँ वहाँ पे. तो अगर मुझे आपका मैसेज दिखा और वो मैं आपको कुछ उस पर हेल्प कर सकती हूँ तो मैं ज़रूर करूँगी. Alright, तो शुरू करते हैं with the tutorial.
I'm gonna look a lot of times down, so please don't bother. They are my notes. Now we're gonna start. Now the first 4 lines, the first paragraph, we're gonna use just 2 chords, A minor and F. That's it. Okay. Now कैसे बजाएंगे? Let's do normal down strums and understand the switch. Okay. Start. Choking in my sleeping night, making myself crazy. F पे switch कर जाओ. Crazy पे F पे आ जाओ. Out of my mind, out of my mind. Okay. Now this you will do when you're using island strumming. Let's do it together. Talking in my sleep and I'm making myself crazy. Out of my mind, out of my mind. Okay, but if we do down, chuck up, mute, तो हम ऐसे करेंगे. Talking in my sleep and I'm making myself crazy. Out of my mind, out of my mind. तब हम F पे आते हैं out of my mind में, क्योंकि जब तक crazy बज रहा होता है तब तक हम कुछ अपना वो एक कर रहे होते हैं. Okay, yeah, just understand. ठीक है. Alright, now let's go to the next line. Same progression, same तरीके से बजेगा. It is like this. Wrote it down and read it loud, hoping it would save me. Too many times, too many times. Okay, me पे हम लोग F पे आ जाएंगे. Alright, तो island strum पे ऐसे बजेगा और दूसरे वाले strum पे I'll also show that. Okay, wrote it down and read it loud, hoping it would save me. Too many times, too many times. Okay, जो chuck वाला strum है उसमें ऐसे बजेगा. Wrote it down and read it loud, hoping it would save me. Too many times, too many times. Down, chuck up, mute. Down, chuck up, mute. Down, chuck up, mute. Okay, bravo. Let's go to the next part. Now the next part is my love, he doesn't love me, so I tell myself. Again, two chords, A minor and F. Easy. Now ऐसे बजेगा. A minor पर my love, he makes me feel like nobody else. F, nobody else. Next line, but my A minor, but my love, he doesn't love me, so I F. Tell myself, I tell myself, I do. Okay, अब इसको हम बजाते हैं island पे. Alright, start with A minor. But my love, he makes me feel like nobody else, nobody else. But my love, he doesn't love me, so I F myself. I tell myself, I do. Okay, अब इसको अगर हम चकिंग वाले में बजाएंगे. But my love, he doesn't love me, na na na. Nobody else, na na. He doesn't love me, so I tell myself, I do. Easy. Okay, just choose what you want to do. Okay, and practice will make you perfect. Now going to the chorus. One to pick up the phone is going. I'm gonna mess up with the lyrics. Please, मेरे को माफ करिएगा. Okay. Now इसके लिए थोड़ा सा आपको ध्यान देना है, especially if you're using the chucking वाला strumming. Okay. Now here we're gonna also use G a bit. All right. तो शुरू करते हैं. One, don't pick up the phone is an A minor. You know he's only calling 'cause I'm drunk and alone. Then again A minor. Two, don't let him in. You have to F, kick him out again to G. Three, don't be his friend. You know you're gonna wake up in the bed in the morning. And if you're under him, you ain't getting over him. Okay? इस तरीके से हमारी स्विचिंग होगी. Alright. Now that you know that much, अब इसको स्ट्रमिंग पे डालते हैं. पहले आइलैंड लेते हैं. Okay? 1, 2, 3, let's go. 1, don't pick the phone. F, G, no, 2, don't let him in. F, have to kick it out again. 3, don't be his friend. You know you're gonna wake up in this bed in the morning. अच्छा, अब morning, ये switch है, okay? Morning, if you under him, you ain't getting over him. Okay? Alright, now इसको हम डालते हैं अब चकिंग वाले उसमें. चकिंग वाले में पूरा का पूरा स्ट्रमिंग पैटर्न. डाउन, चक अप म्यूट बजेगा A माइनर पर, लेकिन F और G पर सिर्फ डाउन छक बजेगा. ओके, जस्ट लुक, you'll understand. 1, pick up up the phone, you know he's only calling 'cause I'm drunk and alone. 2, don't let him in, you have to kick him out again. 3, don't be his friend, you know you're gonna wake up in the bed in the morning. You under him, you ain't getting over him. Okay, you can just rewind. If you don't understand, just rewind, watch it again, you'll come to know. Okay, it's not difficult, it's all about practice. ठीक है, चलो अब आता है I got no rules, I count them. एक बार from the top शुरू करते हैं. 1, don't pick the phone. Okay, 1, don't pick up the phone, you know he's only calling 'cause you're drunk and alone. 2, don't let him in, you have to kick him out again. 3, don't be his friend, you know you're gonna wake up in the bed in the morning. You're under him, you ain't getting over him. I got no rules, I count them. I got no rules, I count them. Okay, so हम लोग एक बार पूरा का पूरा वो लाइन गाएंगे. I got no rules, I count them, without playing anything, and then da 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 da. I got, again F. I got down chuck, new rules, I count them. पे आ जाएंगे हम लोग A minor. I got new rules, I count them. A minor पे हम लोग कुछ बोलेंगे नहीं, हम लोग पूरा का पूरा स्ट्रम बजाएंगे without speaking, and whatever we are speaking, whatever we are singing on F and G. So it's like this. Down, up, mute. Now F. I got new rules, I count them. Ting, 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 ting. I got new rules, I count them. Ting, 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 ting. I gotta tell them myself. Okay. Island के साथ एक बार बजा दूँ. I got new rules, I count them. I got new rules, I count them. I gotta tell them myself. I got new rules, I count them. Okay, so this is with island, and then chucking के साथ मैंने आपको दिखा दिया है. I hope आपको समझ आया हो. कॉर्ड्स बहुत इजी हैं, थोड़ा सा स्ट्रमिंग के साथ थोड़ा सा ट्रिकी लगता है, बट यू विल मैनेज. यू गाइज आर रियली रियली स्ट्रॉन्ग यूक प्लेयर्स नाउ. आई मीन यू गाइज आर डूइंग सो वेल. एवरी टाइम व्हेन यू सेंड मी योर वीडियोज आई एम लाइक, these guys are amazing, and I love the way how ukulele is like trending in my country India. मतलब कमाल कर दिया भाई तुम लोगों ने. हाँ, आई लव इट. मुझे इतना अच्छा लग रहा है जब यू नो सो मेनी पीपल आर प्लेइंग ukulele, आर लर्निंग ukulele, आर मोर इंटरेस्टेड टू नो अबाउट ukulele. दिस इज़ लाइक रियली रियली अमेजिंग व्हेन आई सी दैट यू नो आप लोगों को इतना इंटरेस्ट आ रहा है इस इंस्ट्रूमेंट में. मुझे क्वेश्चंस लोग पूछते हैं इसके बारे में, बहुत 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 अच्छा लगता है. आई मीन आई एम लाइक आई फील आई अ स्ट्रॉन्ग पार्ट ऑफ द कम्युनिटी. और ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे यू नो इट इज़ गेटिंग बिगर 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 वाइडर 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 एंड वाइडर. सो क्यों ना इस दुनिया को और बड़ा करें, अपनी ukulele की दुनिया को, अपने मेडिटेशन की दुनिया को, अपने प्यार की दुनिया को और बड़ा करते हैं, और लर्निंग नेवर स्टॉप्स के साथ इस वीडियो को ख़त्म करते हैं. ओके, राइट? ओके एवरीवन, आई विल सी यू नेक्स्ट टाइम. अंटिल देन, आडियोस अमीगोस एंड अमीगास.